Going on YouTube, decided to adjust these lifters again. Think my man had this a little too tight. It run kind of rough, like off takeoff. So I got the valve cover off, and I'm just gonna, well, I did 2, 4. I'm on these 2 now. Wait till I hear the slacking, clapping, then give it a quarter of a turn back and see what we get from there. Cause it's running, but it's just running kind of rough for me. So trying to see, what it is, cause I can't get that popping out the exhaust. Thought it was in a time and thought it was in a carb, going through all type of different crap. So trying to finish that out for get back to this body. Let me show y'all. Start up like a champ. I got the cardboard over here so the oil don't fly everywhere. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to hear it or not. Hard to do. Give it half a turn back the other way. See what we get from there. I just want to show y'all, man. I'm out here trying to get something done. Y'all can hear that? Alright, let me go and get back to it. Back with y'all, man. I did this side. I forgot all about y'all. But what I'm thinking now, man, I'm going to change these plugs. Re-gap them. I ain't take none of them out, but it's part of the building the motor. Re-gap them, but I did just find something out which I know can't be right. I could turn these screws, the jet, all the way down, and the motor still runs. So I'm thinking it's in the car, but I just bagged them all, well, not all the way out, but enough. Because like I said, I was getting lax in the motor. But right now, I can burn these tires, you know what I'm saying? See if I can show y'all. At first, I couldn't do none of that. You know what I'm saying? It was burp, 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 burp. So let me show y'all if I can. Y'all seen that, ain't nothing but 305. And whoever don't like that 305, y'all more than motherfucking welcome to buy me an LS. So until that time come, I don't want to hear shit about one. My money, my paper, this is what I'm gonna do for the moment. So it is what it is. But I guarantee I'll be running fresh. Now I got this motherfucker just like I want it right now for sure. Alright, there. Holla at y'all. We back in the garage.